Welcome! Today, we'll explore how to refund money on PayPal quickly and easily. Let's start with the reason you might need to issue a refund. Common reasons include incorrect payments or returning purchased items. Now, let's dive into the steps for initiating a refund. First, log into your PayPal account to get started. Select the transaction you wish to refund from your activity. You'll see an option for Refund next to the selected transaction. Click on Refund and confirm the amount to be refunded. After confirming, the refund is processed right away. You will receive a notification when the refund is complete. The refunded money will be available in the recipient's account shortly. Refunds typically take 3 to 5 business days to be completed. Sometimes, refunds may fail or take longer than expected. This can happen for a variety of reasons, from account limits to processing errors. If you encounter this, double-check your transaction details. You can also contact PayPal support for assistance. Their team is available to guide you through any issues. Having support can ease any refund anxiety you may have. And that wraps up our guide on issuing refunds through PayPal. Remember, the process is straightforward and user-friendly. Always ensure your information is accurate to avoid issues. Thank you for watching, and happy transacting. For more tips and updates, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.